Kia ora whanau, welcome to your te reo task for this week. It is on pronouns. The Walt is to understand pronouns for different groups of people in te reo. You need to do this activity in your presentation book, which is the one with the blank pages. You need to make sure you write your Walt, understand pronouns for different groups of people in te reo. Right, so let's go through the pronouns, which is ways of addressing people. So aho is obviously the speaker. That's why the circle is around the person with these little speech lines coming out, the person in pink. So when you say something about yourself, like Katie pai aho, I am good. Koe is the person that you are talking to, one person. So the speaker is speaking to one person. The person you are talking to is koe, as in koe, and then ear, as in your ear. So if you're speaking to someone, pink person speaking to the green person, about someone else, it is ia. So if you say, kei te pihia ia, how is he or she? They would respond, kei te pai ia, they are good. Ka pai, and then we go to the next page, we take it up a notch, and if you're talking to two people, it is kōrua, two people, not including the speaker. If you're talking to three or more, it is koutou, as in everyone I am talking to. The extension of ia, if you're talking to someone about two other people, then it is raua, ra-ua, raua. If you're talking to someone about three or more people, it is rātou, ka pai. And then if you're talking to one person, you're saying, we are going to the shop, you would say, kei te haere tāua, as in me and you, we, ki toa, we are going to the shop. If you're talking about a whole group of people, including yourself, it is tātou, three or more people. For example, ki te whakarongo mai tātou, we are all listening. Right. Me and someone else talking to another person, me and my friend, maua, as you can see here, it's circled. You're talking to koe, the green person, about you and someone else, so it's maua. And then if you're using me and two others or more, it's mātou. Right. So your task is to ask a question and write the answer. So the questions are, hea ha koe, what are you doing? One person. The answer is he, and then instead of the aha, you write what they are doing, the action. And the action might be moi, aho, because you're saying, I am sleeping. So pick an action, use Māori dictionary to find out what it is in te reo, write the question, hea ha koe, and the response, he, moi, aho. And then do a voiceover and upload it to Seesaw. Ka pai, kia ora.